Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the solution of this problem, that is subset sum problem. In the previous videos we have already seen the problem statement, that what this problem was asking from us. Now in this video we are going to deal with the solution. So as I have already told that this problem covers the topic of DP. So we are going to create a DP, a two-dimensional DP basically. The size of that DP is going to be n plus 1 comma sum plus 1. Okay, so what is n here? N is nothing but the length of the array that has been provided to us. In this particular case, the example that has been provided to us, n is 6, so it will become 7 here, and sum is basically the target that we need to achieve. So in this case it is 9, so it will become 9 plus 1, that is 10. So we will create a DP of size 7 comma 10. Okay, so okay, so we will start filling this DP. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and then along the y-axis we are going to put this array values, that is 3, 34, 4, 12, 5 and 2. Now we need to assign a meaning to this DP. So what we are going to do, we will assign a meaning to this DP. So this cell is going to hold the value that if we have a set containing nothing, can we generate a sum of 0 from this set? So is it possible for us to generate a sum of 0 if nothing is available in our set? So it will be true only. We will not take anything from the set, and that's how we will generate a sum of 0. So we will put a tick mark. Basically tick mark represent true here. Okay, now for 1, can we generate a sum of 1 when we have basically nothing or 5 in our set? So we cannot generate that thing, so we are going to place cross in all these places. Okay, so this ninth cell, what meaning it holds is that if we have a set containing nothing, can we generate a sum of 9 from that? So it will be false only. Okay, so I will place a cross here. Now again we will move towards this place. Okay, so can we generate a sum of 0 if we have a set containing nothing and 3, basically 5 and 3? So we can generate, we will take nothing from this set. So this is how, this is, in this way we can generate a sum of 0. Similarly, for all the values in column 0, we will fill it with true only. So this last cell, what it holds, that if we have a set containing all these values, can we generate basically a sum of 0? So we will take nothing and we will generate that. Now moving towards the next cells. So this cell will hold the meaning that if we have x and 3, can we generate a sum of 1? So we will not be able to generate this thing, so we will place a cross mark here. Similarly for 2. Now 3, yes, we can generate a sum of 3. How? We have a set of x comma 3. Can we generate a sum of 3? We will take 3, and in this way we can generate a sum of 3. So we will place a tick mark here. For 4 it is not possible, for 5 it is not possible, for 6, for 7, for 8 and 9 it is not possible. Okay, now next is 34. Can we generate a sum of 1? Not possible. 2? Not possible. 3? Yes. How? So the meaning that it holds is that if we have x, 3 and 34, can we generate a sum of 3? So yes, by taking 3 we can generate a sum of 3. So one thing that we can build a logic from this thing is that if I minus 1 comma j is true, then I comma j will also be true, because if from the previous set we are able to generate a sum, then from the by extending our set we can definitely able to generate that value. So we will place a tick mark here. Now for 4 it is not possible, for 5 it is not possible, for 6 it is not possible, for 7, 8 and 9 it is not possible. Now uh, we will fill this value. So can we generate a sum of 1? Not possible, as previously we are not able to achieve that. We will place a cross mark here. Then 2, again it is not possible, so we will create a cross mark here. For 3 it is possible, because by this intuition only, by this thing only, that I minus 1 comma j it is true, so I comma j will hold true. Okay, so we'll place a true mark here. Now for 4, since 4 is available, one more way, in another way we can check this thing is that, suppose at I minus 1 uh, comma j, what is the j value here? J is 4 here. J minus the value of this, of the set at which we are. Suppose uh, we are at a cell having the coordinates x and y. So the x is basically, x is holding the value. At x we have the value. So j minus val. If it is true, then I comma j will hold true. So we can check that thing. I minus 1, that will become 3. 3 comma j minus val, that is 4 minus 4. Okay, 3 4 minus 4. So we'll check 3 comma 0 here in this dp. So 3 comma 0 it is true, then it will also hold true. Okay, so we will keep this thing also in our mind, that if I minus 1 comma j minus val is true, then I comma j will also be true. Now for 5, similarly we will check for 5. So what it holds is that I minus 1 comma j minus val. J minus val will become 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, and I minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 basically, so it will become 3 comma 1. So at 3 comma 1 it is cross only, so we'll put a cross here. Okay, now can we generate 6 by similar way? So it is not possible for us, so we will place a cross mark here. Again, if we move towards the 7, if we will move towards the 7, what we are going to do, we will again check that I minus 1. I can erase this thing so that you can understand in a better way that, okay, okay. So I minus 1 comma j minus val. So in this case j is nothing but 7. 7 minus value, that is 4. J minus val 7 minus 4. I minus 1, we are at 4, so it will become 3 only. So if 3 comma 3 it is true, then we can place basically at 4 comma 7 we can place true here. So we will check at 3 comma 3. So at 3 comma 3 it is true, then so we will put true here at 4 comma 7. So in similar way we can check for 8 and 9. So we will get cross here because we are not able to form a sum of 9 from this, from the subset that we have taken. Similarly we will do for 12. Cross cross 3 we will be able to generate by the logic that if I minus 1 comma j is true, then I comma j will also be true. Okay, similarly 4 we will be able to generate, 5 we will not be able to generate, and 6 we will not be able to generate, 7 we can generate, 8 cannot generate, 9 can generate. Okay, if we move towards this, 1 we cannot generate, 2 we cannot generate, 3 we will be able to generate, 4 we will be able to generate, for 5 we will we will able to generate. How? We will take the help of this formula that I minus 1 comma j, that is 5 here, j minus value, that is 5 minus 5. So if we are at suppose uh, we are at if we take the indexing here 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 minus 1, 4 comma 0. If 4 comma 0 is true, then we can place true here. So we'll check that thing. So 4 comma 0, it is true here, so we'll make a tick mark here. Now for 6, uh, it is basically it is not possible for us to generate a, a sum of 6. How? We will, we will take the help of the formula only, that I minus 1, that is at 4, and j minus val, that is 6 minus 5. So if 4 comma 1 holds true, then it will be true only. So at 4 comma 1, it is not true. Okay, it is not true, so we are going to place cross here. For 7, it will be possible for us. For 8, we can check with the help of the formula itself. I minus 1, so it will become 4 here. J minus value 8 minus 5, 3. If 4 comma 3 is true, we will place a true here. So if we will go at 4 comma 3, so it is true here, so we are going to place true here. Now for 9 also we can check. It will be 4 comma 9 minus 5, that is 4 comma 4. So 4 comma 4 is going to be true, so we can generate a sum of 9. How? We will take 5 and 4 from this set, 5 and 4, and we will able to generate it. Now we have to check for the taking the complete set. So for 1, it is not possible for us to generate. For 2, it is possible for us. How? We will again take the help of the formula I minus 1. So that is, suppose 6 is here, so 6 minus 1, that is 5 here, comma j minus value 2 minus 2, that is 0. 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0 is true here, so we are going to place true here. 3, it is possible for us with the help of this thing, that if I minus 1 comma j holds true, then I comma j will be true. Okay. Similarly for 4 and 5. For 6, it is also possible. How? The help of this thing, that I minus 1, it is 5, value is 6, 6 minus 2, it will be 4. At 5 comma 4, we are going to check 5 comma 1, 1 2 3, 5 comma 4, it holds true, we will make it true again. Now for 7 8 9, it will be possible because of this thing. So at the last index, that is dp of basically n comma dp of n comma sum will return us at that position. We will check if it is true. We are going to make we will return true, that yes, it is possible for us to generate a sum of a sum of target that has been provided to us from the given array. And if it is false here, we will return false, that it is not possible for us. So that's it for the explanation part. We will see the code part in the next video. Okay, thank you.